Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to view an old post that you've shared on Instagram on your PC with the new update. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Then, locate the more icon or the three dots at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the menu. Next, click on Your Activity from the menu. This will take you to a new page where you can see all your activity on Instagram. Now, navigate to the Photos and Videos section, and then click on the Posts section. Here, you will find all the posts that you have shared on Instagram. To view your oldest posts first, click on Sort and Filter, and choose Oldest to Newest from the drop-down menu. Once you've selected this option, click on Apply to view your oldest posts first. And there you have it. You can now easily view an old post that you've shared on Instagram on your PC with just a few simple steps. That's all for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, happy Instagramming.